Yamu yago vale goge na mori no neshomina. O mabera vale tane. Jesu yako. Oguru. Leshilo. Obasa niyama. Amiye shuo gaga. Akabari ebyo palo pati yeko ma refrain shiro. Oyo mabera vale sui munane. Zabeli Jesu kipenu. Jabari oture goganebo, Jabari boteta. That is why we are rejoicing now. Jesu kipenu. Jibora yibora bana. Amo kube suo. Lebe. I can flavor say na bebele. Because I can see Jesus' holiness. Oh, okay, I can get hey, c'est dit que je m'y Jésus. Et que l'on coule n'a pas bien mieux. Oh, Dieu n'a eu que. Oh, que n'est. Oh, que you are outside the shadow of God. Gideon, one fall and 4 p.m. And a reliable Kakarote. Aurora Lesina. Kudu Labolero. Kiobo the Reverend Evangelist to him. Aboli Jesuna. In the Cobra Kakorotia. Aurora Lesina. Evangelist Benjamin Onya Kokekenu Anuwolo Ojugu Nyoro Wewolo Ani enyuru labi alaina Kilo momo Logo shobudu ebo kufiana Awata no deje sugo shobudu ebo Mela ebo bere kwaro Mori kete logi ni bere iwo shwe kata jobo Oya shaki obo rari na kona Obo shusa da kilipo wada komoro na hike dogi gure Weku ye kijesi Are you not seeing Pastor Evangelist Esu Anyaye? Occasion of your people are giving her. Why am I always looking on? After the people in the no, you can see clearly. Now that you are hearing this, some people feel the change. Now that you know, I don't know. But now you not cry, I don't know now. Chapter 1, but you don't know chapter 1. And then you look for my Bible. No, be a rabbi. I want to wake up. I want to be a Reverend Evangelist Oguja, the district superintendent by Asa God's Grace Ministry. Reverend Evangelist Ogusi, Reverend Evangelist Leleji, last day, every one of us will give account of himself to God. Who